and display text about the other example is here, and text will help information thoroughly. And again, the example about the constructing display of text will help information and improve design for a help screen. And designing tables and lists. What's the labels? All columns and rows should have meaningful labels. Labels should be separated from other information by using highlighting, and we display labels when the data extends beyond a single screen or page, and formatting columns, rows and text, short in a meaningful order. Place a blank line between every 5 rows in long columns. Similar information displayed in multiply columns should be shorted vertically. And columns should have at least 2 spaces between them. Allow white space on printed reports for user to write notes. And use a single typeface except for pages. And use same family of typefaces written and across display and reports. Avoid overly fancy fonts. And what's the formatting numeric, textual, and alphanumeric data. Write justly numeric data and align columns by decimal points or other delimiter. Left justly textual data. Use short line length, usually 13 or 14 characters per line. Break long sequences of alphanumeric data into small groups of 3 to 4 characters each. And we can look about this constructing the display of tables and lists, Pine Value Furniture, poorly designed forms. And use tables for reading individual data values, and use graphs for providing quick summary, displaying trends over time, comparing points and patterns of variables, for each listing activity, simple reporting of vast quantities of information, and tabular reporting illustrating numerics design guidelines for Pine Value Furniture, and graphs of for comparison line graph is this part and this part, and here is the line graph for comparison for graphs, and is here a bar graph, and assessing usability. Objective for designing forms, report, and all human-computer integrations is usability, and there are 3 characteristics. Speed, can you complete a task efficiently? Accuracy, does the output provide what you expect? And satisfaction, do you like using the output? And usability is an overall evaluation of how a system performs in supporting a particular user for a particular task. And consistency of a terminology, formatting, titles, navigation, response time, and efficiency, minimize requiring user actions. And 8, self-explanatory outputs and labels, and format, appropriate display of data and symbols, and flexibility, maximize user options for data input according to performance. And usability success factors is continues, and characteristics for consideration: user experience, skills, motivation, education, and personality. Tasks, time pressure, cost of errors, work durations, and system, platforms, and environment, social and physical issues. And measures of usability: time to learn, speed of performance, rate of errors, rotational overtime, subjective satisfaction. Loadout of information should be consistent both written and across applications. And layout of information should be consistent both written and across applications. Whether information is delivered on screen display or on a hard copy report. And electronic commerce application: designing forms and reports for Pine Value Furniture web store. General guidelines for rapid deployment of internet websites have resulted. Three possible solutions to the problem. First one is make it possible to design responsibly usable sites without having UI experience. And train. The second one is train more people in good web design. And third one is and the last one is live with poorly designed sites that are hard to use. And designing forms and reports at Pine Value Furniture. Pine Value Furniture establishes the following guidelines: use lightweight graphics, establish forms and data integrity rules, use template-based HTML. And lightweight graphics. What's the lightweight graphics? Is about the use of small, simple image to allow a web page to more quickly be displayed. Quick image download, quick feedback from the website will help to keep customers at the PVF web store longer. And forms and data integrity rules. All forms that request information should be clearly labeled and provide adequate room for input. Specific fields requiring specific information must provide a clear example. Must designate which fields are optional, required, and which have a range of values. And template-based HTML. Template-based HTML is about the templates display and process common attributes of higher level, more abstract items. Creates an interface that is very easy to maintain. Advantages to have a few templates that could be used for entire product line. Every product needs its own page. And we can look about in this chapter summary, explain the process of designing forms and reports and the deliverables for their creation, and apply the general guidelines for formatting forms and reports. Use color and know when color improves the usability of information. Format tests, tables, and list eventually. Explain how to assess usability and describe how variation in users, tasks, technology, and environmental characteristics include the usability of forms and reports. And this the last one is discuss guidelines for the design of form and reports to internet-based electronic commerce systems. And thank you for watching this chapter.